Yo.
We are gonna get some amazing B-roll shots, the shots that you can use for your next video project. So we are gonna go through 7 to 8 different shots. We're gonna show you how we shoot the shots, and at the end I'm gonna edit them together, add some music, and you'll see how it looks. So yeah, peace. Location shots. These shots are great shots to set the tone of the video. To show the audience what location you are shooting in, you can do this by shooting a wide shot of the area, or by showing bits like trees in the area if there are any interesting things in the area like boats, bridges, streams, etc. Introducing the model or a subject. It's always good to communicate to the model what shot you're gonna take so that she or he knows what you will be doing. I'm just gonna follow you from here. Take the bag, right? Okay. And then put it across your shoulder, okay? Okay. While introducing the model or subject, I like to build suspense.
Wow, such a brilliant idea.
Always.
Spielberg thing, yeah?
No.
Okay.
I do this by not showing the model's face. I will shoot the model from behind, show what's in her hand, and at last I will reveal the face.
Go.
Extra shots. Sometimes you run out of footage, you don't know what to add. So these extra shots will help you a lot. So you can shoot random things and just keep it just in case you need to add some footage in the middle of two clips that do not work together or flow together. Just shoot interesting stuff. There will be something like two people riding a paddle boat or a duck flying, whatever like that. Match action shot. For this shot, you need the model to do a similar action 2 times, and you will capture the action, one with a wide shot, and the second shot it would be a close-up of the action happening. For example, as the model is walking on the bridge, we see that she is touching the rails of the bridge. Then we can take a wide shot of that and then tell her to repeat the action, but the second time you just take a close-up. When you cut these 2 shots together on a beat, it looks very interesting and flows well in the edit. Parallax shot. This is a very simple shot. All you need for this is a camera and a gimbal. For this shot to work out, you need to frame the model or the subject in the middle of the frame. Then you go around the model, trying to keep her in the middle of the frame and in focus. When you do this, the background behind the model will move really quickly as she is on focus, and this will look very interesting. To go around, we are going to take like one circle, which is a wide circle around the model, and then we are going to take a close up. Once we cut it in the edit, it's going to look very smooth. Dolly out shot. This will be the last shot that we'll be doing today, and you can do this using a gimbal or handheld, where you slowly move back from the scene. This is to give the audience a sense of leaving out from the scene, and if the model leaves the scene, it's going to look even better. Boy, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This is gonna look sick. I have finished shooting all the videos. I'm gonna put it into a sequence and edit it for you, so you'll be able to see it in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
I think I let my guard down. Certain things ain't the same now. Hard to navigate these problems. I'm by myself, you're not around. I tried to open up, it wasn't good enough. Put in my all and got nothing back. Now I'm stuck in the rain, dealing with all this pain. Why you gotta do me like that? Don't say you love me, then go and leave me. It can't get ugly, trust and believe me. Say it to myself, looks so deceiving. Trying to fight back this far from easy. My life's in your head. heart turned cold. Lost control.